So this is an example of author analysis you can perform. You can perform it with a lot of analytics tool. With some it's a little bit more complex, and with other it's very easy. With Publytics, for example, it's very straightforward because we've made it especially for publisher. We've made Publytics with publisher in mind. Therefore, we made this kind of analysis very easy to do. So the first time you perform it on Publytics, you just have to go to settings, then custom dimension. And from here, you just choose the dimension that represent your author. In this case, we are using author ID, but you can use any identifier that works for you. For example, a good identifier will be name plus surname, so you can easily spot in the reports what is the author. So how to enable your website to push this kind of information into Publytics? You just have to map your site data into the Publytics script, the one that you previously insert into the head of your CMS for enable data tracking. So just make sure to edit the parameters according to your CMS. Or if you use WordPress, we have the WordPress integration, which you can literally copy and paste into your head. We have a very extensive documentation for that if you encounter some problems, but you can always ask for our support and we will help you. So now let's generate the report. You just have to click on generate report corresponding to the dimension you choose. And Publytics will create a view where the primary dimension is the author. This allows you to see key metrics like page view, bounce rate, and average time on page for every author. So you have like an overview in here. For go deeper, you can choose different things. You can click on the author, and it will present to you a much deeper analysis of the author, specifically all the articles that this author made, and see the KPI related to every article. You can tweak also the data frame that you want to see the data. And another way to go deeper in this data is to add another dimension. For example, I can add the country dimension, where you see the country where the session, the user came from when they visit the page that this author create, the article that they create. For example, we can see that author 85 has a small but still substantial niche in Romania, with a quite high average time on page. This can lead to different insight and different action or experiment that you can do. For example, experiment on monetization on advertisement, particular for this niche.